Alright guys, happy Thanksgiving. How's everyone doing today? And I am about to take this out and maiden it. You notice that mount's a bit different than what I'm used to having. It's because I have a Hero 9 now. So we're about to take it out. Weather is time to go see what the footage looked like. Still recording? Yes, we're still recording. The sky is so beautiful today. And we got biting flies out here. They're terrible. So thank you guys for watching. That was the GoPro Hero 9 Black. We're on 4K, 30 frames per second. Hypersmooth on, not on high or boosted, just on. Bit rate on high. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the footage. Does it look different than what I've been doing? The color was flat on this, so what you will see will be me, doing some color grading in post. So, yeah, let's go back home and see what the footage looks like, because that's what counts.